Welcome to FP Markets. To deposit using Finrax, please log into your client portal. On the left-hand side, select the Funding tab and choose Deposit. Select the account you wish to fund. Then head over to Crypto and choose Finrax. You will then be prompted to enter your payment amount. You can either choose from pre-designated funding options or enter a custom amount and then click Deposit. A new pop-up window will guide you through the Finrax payment process. You need to select your cryptocurrency of choice and complete the necessary information related to your crypto wallet. Ensure all details are accurate before finalizing the transaction. When using Finrax for deposits, you won't be charged any additional fees. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the funding process with FP Markets using Finrax.